So this is my brown bear mask, and I think this thing is great. But there is a crease from when it was folded, and I'm gonna put some foam in the nose overnight so it could sit, kind of get this crease out, and maybe do a blow dryer a little bit and get it to where that crease is out. But besides that, the mask is perfect. I'm gonna fluff up the hair. Here's the inside. You can see the inside of it. So it's just like a white latex. But yep, it is great. I think this is going to be amazing. I'm using this to do a little prank, and I think it's gonna work perfectly.